Hello and welcome to Bromsgrove. We're here today completing an installation for 12 panels, 6 on the front, 6 on the back. So if you want to just follow me and I can show you a bit more about where we are with that. As you can see, the guys are up on the roof now, just putting 4 of the panels on, ready to go. The back of the property has already been completed. So we've been here a couple of hours now. Everything's done. After that, we've just got the basic wiring to complete, which is already in progress. Jack and Mike around here completing the wiring side of things. So we've got a Solis 3.6 inverter going in. All the test labels are going on. So the cable route for the property is quite standard. So all of the equipment is going to be based downstairs with the cabling going either externally out to the front of the property and the back of the property. So the cabling for the front of the property is really neat. So it's against this sort of front ridge of the house going straight the way up onto the roof there. Main supply is downstairs and the inverter is going to be located downstairs. So if you come around here and have a look at what we've done here. So the idea is to make the installation as seamless as possible. The idea is all the cabling is all contained in black plastic, going straight the way up the side of the house, then into the top of the roof there. It should be not noticeable from the outside. So the more quality aspect that we can do on this side, the better the install. So with the installation here in Bromsgrove, the orientation of the panels is east-west. Now, to some people that may be ideal because of course south facing roofs are sort of better. However, we've designed this system in such a way that it will be fully optimised at all times. So we've actually put 6 panels on the front of the property, 6 panels at the back of the property. So as the sun rises and sets, the idea is that the sun will catch all the panels all the time. So if you've got a east-west roof like this one or a more complex installation, we'd love to hear from you. Click on the below link, complete your details, and we'll give you a call.